What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video, I'm finally going to reveal for you guys my first winning product. I hope you enjoyed the last video that I made, that I gave away 5 winning products that I think that you should start test right now from our personal list. And the way that I found my first winner is the same way I found it on a YouTube video, which I will show you the screenshots later on this video. In this video, I'm going to reveal the product. I actually have it right here, and I'm going to go over exactly and show you the sales on my Shopify store, and I will break down exactly what are the main reasons that I picked this product. I hope that you will be able to take a look at the product and try to understand why this product works so well. I personally myself, when I do something and I succeed, I'm trying to analyze exactly why it worked. And this way I can create the same success by following the same steps. So watch this video, see all the breakdown of the product and try to analyze and see why this product was a winner. Just before we start, guys, as always, make sure you join the family and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. As well as we have the Telegram live chat group that you can check in the link in the description, and we have a Facebook group that you can join after watching this one. So with that being said, let's start with a video. Alright guys, so first things first. As I promised, this video I'm going to announce the winner for the pre-built Shopify store that I'm going to build for this person. So I have all the names right here in my Excel spreadsheet. I took all the comments from the last 2 videos and I put it in this Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to copy all the names. We have 52 people, guys. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. I really appreciate that, guys. So let's copy the names. And we have this tool right here in this website that it basically will pick randomly a name from all those names. So let's click on pick random name, and who is this going to be? Kunel Martins. So congratulations, Kunel Martins, you are our big winner. So all you need to do is to go to my Facebook group and post a post that you are the winner and tag me in this post, and I will start building the Shopify store for you. Now guys, you still have a chance to win something from me. So in this video, I'm giving away a free consulting call that you can win totally for free. All you need to do is the same thing is watch this video all the way through, give this video a like, and comment down in the comment section below anything you want. Let's get back to our winner. So I'm super excited to show you this product. I have it right here. This is, you will laugh about this product, that this is a winner product. So there you go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Let me show you. Christmas leggings, guys. Christmas leggings. I know this is like a stupid product, but this is exactly what I was looking for. Now, just before we will dive in exactly why I picked this product from other products, I want, of course, to share with you that everything is real. So let's go to my dashboard and the website. Here is our website. So the name of the website and the brand calls Santa Leggings. I was really surprised that this name was available, but it was. Now I already made some changes to the website because after Christmas is over, I tried to sell these products right here. It didn't went that well, but this store was created in intention to sell Christmas leggings. So if you want, you can go to my website later after this video and check out exactly everything that I have here. And I also kept the Christmas leggings that you can go and watch later on. Now let's go to our dashboard. Let's refresh the page for all of you guys, that you will see everything is 100% real. 85,000, almost 86,000. And let's scroll down. You can see right here, top products by units sold. You can see Christmas leggings. We sold 3,605 units leggings, which is insane. So that is the product, guys, as you can see. Now keep in mind that this product I saw in 2 different videos on YouTube which were in 2017 and 2018. I will drop some screenshots right here. So I was looking for something that really has the wow factor before Christmas and Q4 and really take advantage of this best time of the year and try to come up with a winning product and start my Shopify store and start making money, start making sales and profit. I was looking at Facebook ads, Amazon bestsellers and AliExpress, and I just couldn't find this product that really gives you the wow factor that wow, I need this product. And eventually I found it on those YouTube videos that I showed you, and the moment that I saw this product right here, I saw this product and I said, wow, I have to sell this product. Now let me break down the exact reason why I chose this product. Now the main reason why I picked this product and why I had the wow factor when I saw it. Now in my early 20s, I was really kind of gym addict, and I was really into CrossFit and gym and everything. I will drop a screenshot right here. And basically I got to know the audience inside this niche of gym, bodybuilding, CrossFit, yoga, Pilates. And this way, like, I knew that if I will show this product to those people that are super passionate about their hobby, which whatever it will be, and they are passionate about the clothing for that sport, I knew that if I'm going to show this product to those people, I can make fortune. So this is the first main reason why I picked this product. Now the second reason is super easy. As you can see, this product, it can be damaged or broken. It's like super easy product to sell, and it's also super lightweight. So if someone purchases from you multiple leggings, the price for shipping them will still stay cheap. This is the exact products that I'm looking for, that will be easy to sell, that I will not have too much complication with selling this product. If it is like electronics or things that can get broken, will cause you problems and have a lot of chargebacks. Actually, we almost don't have any chargebacks for this product. Really rarely, maybe we had like 2-3 chargebacks for this product, which were solved very easily. But this is why I picked this product. Now the third reason why I picked this product is that is something very, very important, that there is not a lot of supply for this product. So yes, I went to Amazon and actually there were not that many listings selling this product. So again, I took advantage of that the supply is not that high, and there is a demand. There is a demand for something like that for Christmas, for this kind of sport, and I also created a demand by advertising this product. So I highly recommend you to do your product research before you decide to go with a product. I know that it's not 100% something accurate, and you don't need to be intimidated by Amazon. Even if they sell your product and you sell it for a higher price, it is okay. You still can make sales and make money. But if your product is in low stock or low supply on Amazon, that is a great thing. If I haven't mentioned before, make sure you smash the like button. This really helps to boost this video in the YouTube algorithm, so I will appreciate if you can do this small favor. It's 100% free and it takes only 1 second to smash it. The fourth reason why I chose this product. Now I know that leggings are kind of cheap product. I sold it for I think 25 bucks per legging. But if you will go to my website, you will see that there are 5 different variations for the same product. This is only the main color, the main best seller from all those colors. And people that are going to buy Christmas leggings, and Christmas is not only one day, it's like 2 weeks. So people wanted really to have multiple colors and different leggings. So most of the orders on our website were at least 2 leggings and even more. There were a time that I got an order, I will put a screenshot right here. I got an order I think for 14 leggings, order of total I think 200 and something, which is crazy. I was super happy, and I even emailed the customer to make sure that this is real and not something fake or something like that. But this is also the main power of this product, that people want to buy more than one. Now guys, I know that some of you watching this video, or you see some screenshots on in Facebook groups, and you know, you're hoping that this is real, and but you're still not like 100% true believer that this is real. I was at the same place, And I was hoping that this is true, all the numbers, and people are succeeding on Shopify and doing those huge numbers. And I decided just to give it a try and see by myself if it is real or not. So after I was able to find my winning product that really made me money, we had days that we sold over 5,000 in sales per day, which is insane. At that point, I was a true believer, and I'm still a true believer, and I know this is work. I'm not hoping that this is going to work. I know this is working. So if you want to make that happen for you, I'm telling you, this is true. All the numbers, the success, all those things, this is doable, this is possible, and that is true. And the moment that you will find your first winner, from that point you will never look back, and there is no way that you're not going to believe that all of that is true. So yeah guys, basically that's it. That was a fun video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you smash and destroy the like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join the family by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the product, what kind of videos you want me to do next, and don't forget that if you want to win a free consulting call with me, all you need to do right now is just to like this video and comment down in the comment section below anything you want. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. Peace. By stores and to their easy. You need to also, if I haven't mentioned before, make sure you smash the like for the that are